How's it, guys? Welcome back to another session on TMT, and we're gonna actually do something a little bit different in the session. We're gonna basically like look at some setups like on TradingView, and then go back to use some of the stuff that can help us on TMT. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get straight into it. So the stuff that we're gonna use are like the TMT AI insights. I want to like potentially look at a setup, and then we can actually ask it to see like, is this a valid trade? Like, is my RR good enough? What, and like you kind of explain what your thought process is, and it's really cool. So we're gonna actually, I've got actually one that I want to go over first, and it's XRP looking at a short at the zone. So basically, I'll tell you my thought process after so I'm looking for a short at this point of control. So I want to copy that. You actually have to download it. So we download that. So this was the trade that I'm looking at over here, looking for a short at around about 1.3408. I'll explain why in just a sec, but let's go straight back up here. We want to insert the, there we go. All right, so now our thought process, right? So we're going to jump through it. Basically, I'm going to tell chat, well, not chat, sorry, the TMT AI insights. I'm going to tell it, okay, what am I actually, why am I looking for this trade? What is the idea? And you can also just ask the questions on is this a valid setup? So I'll say looking to short at around, let's have a look again, 1.3408. We broke the low, we broke yesterday's low. Okay, so 1.348. So I was just showing the guys just over there, looking for a short around 1.3408 as shown in the chart, which is the point of control from yesterday. And we have also broken yesterday's low this morning. So just looking to short to take out the low created today from the POC of yesterday. All right, so that's kind of the thought process. Definitely looking for a short for XRP at the zone. So I want to see what it actually says over here. So it's analyzing the data. It is analyzing the data. Don't know what happened. Oh, there we go. There we go. I think I just clicked on the wrong thing. So basically, this is what it's going to show us, right? So it says the CXP on the 50 minutes with a clear volume profile from yesterday. Yesterday's point of control sits around 1.3408. Price already broke yesterday's low this morning, and there's a marked supply box. So it's telling you what I basically put on the chart, right? Buyer short of the point of control, failure to, this is that trade idea. Limit allow wick to go into the supply up to 1.3450. So it's showing you exactly like with my risk management here, targets intraday low, pre-break base around, and then today's low 1.3. Yeah, so it's giving you potential targets. Triggers confirmation swatch, rejection wick or bearish engulfing on the 5. Yeah, so basically that's exactly what I'm looking at, like a bearish engulfing candle or like a wick rejection from that zone, looking for a rotation down. Failure to accept back into yesterday's value holds a resistance. We start boarding 50-minute closes above the point of control. Yeah, so I mean that's kind of what I'll wait for, like for confirmation, because the thing is, like, if price were to close above the point of control, like starts, that's what it's trying to say. If it closes back above at this level, then we're looking for potential continuation. So I wouldn't look for a short at that point. if you use session VWAP, a short below VWAP or after the period adds confluence. So like you can add the VWAP, it's giving you ideas. Momentum notes, if first test to POC is strong and rejects, don't chase, wait for lower high or a second touch. Otherwise, you're shorting in the mid rotation noise. That's also a good point. If you price wicks into 1.3 and snaps back under the point, that's a sweep and fail. Same stop, often faster moves to TP1. So it's kind of showing you, it's giving you ideas. So like if it does wick straight into the zone, it might hit your TP faster because there's obviously a lot more volume, right? So very, very cool to see. That's telling you exactly how to actually manage this. It's pretty cool. Keep risk type given your recent streak. Yeah, so you want to cap this to like 1%, and then wait for the POC to flip support. So yeah, pretty cool how it tells you all of the stuff, guys, on the setup. So we are just waiting for the zone here for XRP, but it literally gives you everything. Pretty cool. Very, very cool. So definitely looking to short this zone over here with Bitcoin coming down as well. It's just not looking good there in terms of the market. So overall, that's kind of like the idea. For the bias there on XRP, it's just waiting to see if we can get rejection. But it's cool how you can literally just chat to TMT AI insights to actually get all of this. So it's pretty cool. I hope you guys did enjoy this little video, and it can show you exactly how to. You can also ask the questions and be like, what can I do to improve my strategy, and I'll give you ideas, right? So just play around with it, have fun with it. Very, very cool to see. Let's shot, guys.